Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making butter cookies. Butter cookies are a classic favorite holiday cookie, but they are also great all year around. They are buttery, crisp cookies with melt in your mouth interiors. They are super simple with just 7 ingredients and no chili required. So let's get started. You know Mommy B doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need cake flour, confectioner sugar, salt, butter, egg yolks, milk, and vanilla extract. First things first, in a medium bowl, add butter. Beat well until it's softened. Make sure guys you do not overbeat your butter, otherwise your dough is gonna be runny. Next, sift in confectioner sugar. Beat well until well combined. Stir the mixture and scrape the sides of the bowl. Add eggs one at a time. Beat well after each addition. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I would appreciate guys if you can help this channel to grow by leaving a comment in the comment section down below and liking our videos. Stir the mixture for the second time and scrape your bowl. Add vanilla extract and mix well until well combined. This recipe calls for cake flour, and if you don't have it on hand, just take a cup of all-purpose flour and replace it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we're gonna move on and work on our dry ingredients. Combine flour and salt and mix well. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and combine the ingredients until well incorporated. Place half of the dough into a piping bag fitted with a large tip and pipe in a swirl design onto an ungreased cookie sheet. I'm using a silk pad mat for this recipe guys. Leave about 1 inch space between the cookies. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 16 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven. Now we're gonna let them cool down completely on a cooling rack. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.